Good morning. We're here in rural Tasmania, where my newest and favorite coworker has caught a hummingbird. So we're fixing to release it into the wild this morning. Anyway, we caught it last night, and it's underneath this water lid, we think. So let's see what we got going on here. That's a trip. I have never been this close to a hummingbird. Shh, look at it. So what's up, bro? How come it didn't just fly off?
I was probably asleep.
Sleep? Oh, oh. Okay, now we're going to see if, it doesn't look like it has any gumption. may have all the fly out of him. Okay, here we go. I don't know if I can catch this on my phone or not, but we shall see. It may fall back down and hit the ground again. Whoa, check him out. Oh, that was badass. Alright, well, hey, thanks again. That was our morning edition of,
where the wild things are.
Yeah, in rural Tasmania. Out.